I'm your Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today I want to discuss to you about new concept, new product which is demanded by you from long time. It is NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potash bacteria. Of course, some new things has been added in this product. This is the first thing. It is a pure culture of nitrogen fixing bacteria, phosphorus and potash, and you can multiply it years to years. As my all products deliver to you to multiply for the long time. So similarly, this product also you can multiply. It contains nitrogen bacteria, means Azosporium, Azobacter, phosphorus bacteria, 2-3 species, potash bacteria, Factoria rensica, and other products are there. You are aware, first thing, this entire NPK technology has been brought by us in 2000, year of 2000, when I was posted at Bangalore. Although work I have started to change this NPK bacteria in liquid form, because earlier it was available nitrogen separate, phosphorus separate, potassium separate. So it is very difficult for farmers to purchase 3 products and apply. They generally purchase 1 product and use it and then say it is not working. So this was the problem in the field, because I was directly involved in the field. So that time I started the working since 1990. At that time, some people are working on that, mainly foreign scientists, just like Neftal, Hawaii, USA. There some scientists was working. In Thailand, some scientists were working on rhizobium only. They want to do it with the rhizobium and make in liquid form. So I also started the work in 1990, and after 3 years I got success. This bacteria can be survived in the liquid form. So this is the one story. Then again in 2000 I have developed this NPK bacteria, first time in the world. Altogether you can multiply. That time potash was not there. So potash I have introduced as the Factoria rensica bacteria, and that is book also published. Many papers are there. So that is the first time potash bacteria has been introduced. Then in combination of NPK has brought by us in Bangalore. And that has created the revolution, because all the bacteria you are getting in the one bottle itself. So after that, many years now, people are coming with the, after introduction of this NPK bacteria, first time I have introduced. Along with that, some company, we have shared this technique to them. They have also multiplied and came in the market. That time no institute, no university was able to develop this technology. Then after 2012, when I was additional commissioner in the ministry, that time I have shared this technology on my persuasion of my seniors. You must give some technology to the other scientists also, so that it can be started in a larger scale. So NPK technology I have shared with the ICAR, and they took 1.5 years to prove it technology, and then it has came in the fertilizer control order. And it is a small story. So this NPK has been introduced in the government sector in 2012. But some scientists they started selling off the technology and minting the money. That is another story. sometimes I will discuss to you. So main thing is whatever things are you have developed, whatever you are making it, it is just steal by some people. They made some money, but they just ideally they will speak this and that. So anyway, that's NPK has introduced and it has created the rule. And at the same time, bogus company who don't have any structure. The technology has been shared by some of the institute. I am not taking the name, and they have minted the money only. They are taking the royalty. They are not concerned with the quality. Whether its companies exist or not, they are giving the technology, and that product is available in the market in a very cheaper rate. And the company who has invested crores of rupees in their system, they are not getting the order because their product is costly. Why? Because due to setup, due to quality. This is the one story. So that's why some company is doing very well, but you people, my farmers, are not able to reach there. And second time, they are locally involved. They just confuse the farmers, and we all are, with sake of some amount, saving of some amount, we trap with them. So anyway, to breaking the barriers of all the things, NPK product, what you have in the field or what you have using it. Now it is a new story to multiply the product years to years. So that is a unique. Scientists will not believe, people, worker will not believe. So my request is we multiply and then see the results in the field. Multiply it and test it. Simply test it. If you are not getting the multiplication, then you tell me. I have done the multiplication and reports are also with me. So you can multiply it. So that technology is not shared by anyone. Nobody is giving you technology or product you can multiply and you can sit in your home. So this is the first time NPK, take one bottle, multiply it. It is half-liter bottle. Along with that, one pouch is given to you. That pouch is nothing but waste decomposer. It is advanced waste decomposer. Why? Because so far whatever you got, OWDC or waste decompose, it is for the carbon fixing bacteria and photosynthesis bacteria main, besides other all bacteria, beneficial bacteria. So here it is first time carbon releasing bacteria. Release means not the excreting, means production. The bacteria itself produce the carbon with some conversion. So this is the first time product which is going to providing to you. It is going to change the total scenario. So simple multiplication as usual, 100 liter water, 500 gram jaggery, or you can take molasses 500 ml, or you can take sugarcane juice 1 liter. Sugarcane juice is 1 liter is enough. So all together mix it, put it this half-liter bottle and multiply it with the help of pump, or simply it will multiply within 3 to 4 days. It will multiply nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, bacteria. When it is all multiplied, you can use as a flood irrigation. Flood irrigation 200 liters is enough. For your dip irrigation 100 liters is enough. If you are putting excess, no harm. Less, no harm. You will get the results. So all the products, when you have multiplied, used it, the remaining 5 liter, 10 liter you keep in your drum and further multiply it. Multiplication always do in the plastic drum or cemented. If you are taking the tub, cemented your pond, there you put the lining of the polythene. That is important. So this way you can knit and keep it years to years. You keep it in the sunlight, keep it in the shadow or anywhere. There is no restriction. one thing I was requesting you, please don't get confusion or whatever you have read in the book, whatever you are seeing on the website, whatever people are suggesting you, it is all opposite. My bacteria, mother culture, you can keep anywhere, you can keep in any condition, it will be multiplied, it will not give you any side effect. That is very important because technology is in a such a way has been combined. I know the situation, my situation in the farmers field. So keeping in that mind, I have done it. So take the advantage of this NPK. This cost is 770 rupees. Along with that, you are getting 150 rupees, one pouch free. Free means to make it multiplication more effectively. That's why this pouch is required. If you have already solution of OWDC, there also you can mix directly this half-liter bottle and it will multiply. So it is up to you how you are going to use it. So, but uses and keeping conditions are simple. I believe this product again going to give you new era, new concept in this our agro products. Thank you very much.